school administrators, faculty and staff, and the graduating students. With their parents. The basis and the bare foundation of our faith and the root source of knowledge and wisdom. By Naya Randa and B. Pamplona, with high honors. Candles. The candles are representation of the lives of the students. The Lord is the source of light. May all the students use their light for the glory of God. By Abigail P. de la Cruz, with high honors. Program. This simple piece of paper symbolizes the different activities of the student, but help prove the talent and skills of each student to become the best that they can be. By Luis Patrice L. Ketwa, with high honors. Certificates. These are material representations of the accomplishments made by each student present here today, who will graduate and finish elementary level. These should serve as our inspiration to work harder in order to attain success in life. By Ted Dominic M. Ramos, with high honors. Cap and gown. These words are a reminder for us to always prove ourselves in knowledge. We should give importance to the quest for learning. By Diana A. A. Francisco, salutatorian. Medals. These stands for wisdom that God gives to each student. These are the rewards of our efforts as we apply God's wisdom in our daily lives. By Jessie C. Silverio, valedictorian. Please remain standing for the opening prayer to be led by Rafa Linder A. Ople.